Welcome to the Dell EMC Unity XT Crew Removal and Replacement series. In this series of short videos, we're going to use Unisphere and UEM CLI commands to identify faulted custom replaceable units on a Dell EMC Unity XT storage system. We'll then look at the ways to prepare the system for service, including service mode and reset and hold modes. We'll demonstrate the removal and replacement of the faulted crew, and finally verify the replacement crew is working correctly. One of the first things you want to do is to log on to the storage system using the Unisphere interface. This requires that you have initialized the system and provided an IP address in your browser, and once you do that, you're going to be brought to the page that you see here. You're going to have a username along with a password. That combination was also set up during the initialization process. And once you provide those correct credentials, we'll be able to log in and view the dashboard page. In this example, we're simply simulating a failure of a link control card. So to take a look at the enclosures, you need to go to System View from Unisphere. And typically, again, this is showing all good, but again, it's a simulation. So we go to Enclosures and we locate the link control cards. In this case, we're going to remove link control card B. And you have a link control card. These are basically cabled down to the DPE. And so in this case, you can remove a link control card without doing anything to the system in terms of putting the array in service mode or reset and hold. So the link control card will show an amber fault LED. That's the one you're going to replace. You have back-end cables that are going to cable down to the DPE. You're going to remove those, and then simply remove the screws on either side of the link control card, and have another one already at hand, of course, and then slip it back in there and screw it down with the captive screws. And then as a final check, you'll simply go to the DPE and you'll make sure that the DPE shows as a healthy DPE. And we can see here it does. And that is how to replace a link control card in a 15 drive disk array enclosure.